Hello there, Round and Round fans. I'm Frank. I'm 66 years old. I'm a pensioner, and
Hello.
This is my partner.
And hello, I'm Jeanette. I'm nearly 56 years old.
And
We're both very big Round and Round fans from the Wirral.
yeah, we started watching S4C probably Christmas
Onwards.
years and years ago. There wasn't anything on the TV, so we had a flip through and we found that it's like a Christmas drama, and we really enjoyed it. So in the early days, we used to have to. We had an old TV. We used to have to change the air. We had an aerial. We used to plug in the aerial and aim it in the Welsh
Trying to get the
direction.
reception for Wales, and we have the subtitles because unfortunately we've picked up quite a few little
Phrases.
words, but we can't speak fluent Welsh or anything. We get some phrases, but hopefully we can understand what they're saying even without the subtitles sometimes.
Yeah, we used to 888 it, didn't we? That's right. But there's a word in Welsh I think sums up round and round. Is it bendigedig? Means fabulous, fantastic.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the word
I
we've
think
got.
that's
the word we've got to describe round and round.
Yeah. So for everybody out there, carry on like enjoying round and round and.
Keep up the good work.
Yeah,
all
keep
the
up the
cast,
good
all
work.
All the crew and the cast.
Yeah, it's given us a lot of fun and enjoyment. And
Whatever age you are. And blue with happiness.
happy birthday, Round and Round.
You're brilliant. Thank you.
Bye.